Nierba, mounted by number 44, Villegas. Who's called? White ball. Intercepted by Villegas. Villegas dribbling the ball. Villegas lays it up, miss it up. Miss the layup. Arvin Santos dribbling the ball. To Pondok. Pondok dribbling the ball. To Pondok again. To pass to Nierba. Nierba to Bong Solidad. Bong Solidad dribbling the ball. Bong Solidad to Arvin Santos. Take a shot and makes it. What a pass by Solidad to Santos. 2 points. 2 points. Rayat, take a shot, miss it, rebounded by Villegas, lays it up, miss it, boom, rebounded the ball, boom, dribbling the ball, boom, dribbling the ball, boom, take a shot, miss it, rebounded by Oscar Abaya, dribbling the ball, Oscar Abaya, to sing, to Robbie Mundalian, takes a shot, and makes it, money! 3 points by Robbie Mundalian. 3 points, Robbie Mundalian. Jun Peralta to Bondo. Bondo looking for a man, for a cutter. Bondo dribbles the ball. Bondo to Solidad dribbles in the middle. There's a foul. Was 44 foul. First foul by number 44. 44. Shooting foul. 2 shots, right? 2 shots. First shot by Bong Solidad. Makes it. Nothing by net. By the Birthday ball. First shot made. 6 out. Another nothing but net by the Birthday ball. 2 free throws. Takbong mayaman. Sa Rayat, the commissioner, dribbling the ball to Villegas, easy shot, miss it, rebounded by, what call it? It's black ball by the referee. Black ball, inbounded by Oka Abaya to Sing to Oka Abaya, breaks, black by Bong Solidad. Rayat, black ball. Inbounded by Rayat to Sing. 3-4 in favor of White. Sing. Passes to Villegas. To Okabaya. Missed the shot. Nierba got the rebound. Pass to Bondo. Looking at the pool. Bondo looking forward. Intercepted by Nierba. Bong Solidad in the middle. Bong Solidad.
Wala na nga po.
What a pass. What a miss by Scout Bondo. It's a 3-on-2. Miss by Scout. Wala nga naman Scout. Cesar Rayat. Dribbling the ball. Guarded by Scout. Rayat to Sing takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Bong Solidad again. Bong in the middle. Bong. Basket. Too strong to pass by Jun Peralta. Cesar Rayat dribbling the ball. Cesar Rayat guarded by Bondo. Takes a shot and brings down 2 points by Commissioner. Nierba. 5-4. Change favor. 5-4. Favor of black. 1 point game. Bondo dribbles the ball. Intercepted by Robbie Mundalian. Cesar Rayat in the middle. Cesar Rayat to Villegas. Fumble. Takes them outside. Outside shot. Behind the rim. Time. Change his word.
Suggestion. What's your suggestion?
Ikaw pa.
Get together sa Pasko.
1 point game. Black.
Gusto nyo mag-Santa Claus?
So it's 5-4. Change over. Change over. Black and white.
O request pag kayo pagkain. Request ito ng kanta. Singalong ito, singalong.
The one mark. Scoring machine.
At lang may papasayaw.
Assessment. Suggestion.
Suggestion ko.
Number.
Huwag mawawala ang bartender.
Oo.
Papasok pa to?
Go.
Eh, teka lang. Ano call nyo? Teka. Hold it. Yung possession kanina, black. Ay, sorry, white. Ito, white possession.
Ano, beer?
Anything, man.
Ulit mo yung balik oras.
Mawawala ang
White possession.
bartender.
Hindi ko napansin kasi, ayun o, araw, pare. Balik oras. Hindi, balik. Yan. Okay, change possession. Yan. Okay, black next. Black next. Sinisero. Diblo. Got by Sinisero. To Enacta. Enacta takes a shot. Wow! What a shot by Enacta. Got by Edgar Juan. Sinisero. Fakes. To Edgar Juan. Jonas. To Sinisero dribbling the ball. Sinisero. To Jonas. Jonas takes pick. There's a foul. Bong Solidad got fouled by who's foul, rep? 1-6, number 16. Commissioner foul. Shooting foul. Second team foul. First base by Bong Solidad. First free throw, first base. 5-6. 1 point game. Makes it 7-5. 2-point lead by the white team. Rayat dribbling the ball. Rayat. Sing lose the ball. Wow, what a running shot. Number 8. On 7. Abeo takes a running shot. 2 points. Jonas dribbling the ball. Jonas to Sinisero takes 3. Miss it. It's black ball. Bong Solidad got the ball. Recovered. Bong Solidad. Dribbling the ball. Bong Solidad takes an easy shot. Wow! What an easy shot by Bong Solidad. 2 points. 9-7, favor of white. Mr. Roya in the middle. Nesta looking for a man. Start to Sing takes a shot. Money by Sing. Number 24, 3 points. Money. Sinisero got the ball. Sinisero dribbling the ball. Sinisero to Jonas to Enacta. Lose the ball. Take over the ball. To Edgar Juan tries to lose the ball. What's for them? Black ball. That's the ball from the referee. It's black ball.
Yung dati.
Cesar Ryan. Is black ball. Black, 1 point lead by the black team. 1 point lead by the black team. Wala ka sa pay. Bong Solidad. What a hustle. Jonas got the ball. Jonas got the ball. Takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Singh. To Mirote. Mirote makes take a shot and makes it. Mirote, 2 points. Number 76, 2 points. Sinicero taking the ball. Sinicero to Enacta.
Buong December wala.
Enacta to Jonas. Dribble. Pass to the commissioner. To Mirote. Correct to commissioner. It's a shot. Miss it. Rebound. Wow, what a rebound by Enacta. Sinicero, 1-3. Power shot by Bo. 2 points. Another 2 points by Bo. Happy birthday, Bo. Singh. Intercepted by, what's ball rep? Is white ball. 12-11, favor of black. 12-11, 1 point game in favor of black. Time remaining. 9 seconds. Seconds to go. Oh, there's a trouble. Change players. Second. 1 point game. Memang nag-isa yung black. 12-11. This is the second quarter and the possession is Filipino. Hindi, white pa rin. May white ball ha? White ball possession ha? Rep! Ano itong ring? Black ball pala. Black ball. Okay? Possession nyo ba? Balik natin. Black ball. Okay, next possession. White. Possession white. Bundalian face. Takes a shot. Missed that shot. Number 8, rebound. Takes it up. Wow, what a stretch. Rebound and takes up by number 8. 14-11.
Tandaan mo yung
11. Number 8. Abaya takes a shot. Oh, in and out. Meniegas take a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Wool. Rebounded by Niegas. Santos. Oh, Sinicero. Oh, there you go. Makes it. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Oka Abaya to Rafi Bundalian. Moreta. Oh, loose ball by Marote. Count mo ang doktor niya ba? Well, good recovery by Sinicero. Takes a 3 and makes it. And a running reach by Sinicero. 3-point game. 2-point game. Miss it. Rebounded by Jun Peralta. Erwin Santos winning the ball. Erwin Santos. Drive. Makes. And then make. Beniegas. Dribbling the middle. To Cabaya. Fakes. Pass. To Mirote. Miss it. Another shot. Miss it. Another shot. Miss it.
Another shot. Miss it. Another shot.
Miss it. Oh. All 16. Sinicero. Tunyerba. Miss the shot. Number 8 got the rebound. It's a tie game. 2 minutes and 54 seconds. It's a tie game. All 16. Number 8 dribbling the ball. There's a foul. Number 5 foul. Foul Santos. Number 5 Santos. Inbound by Black. Beniegas. Rafi Bundalian. Okaboy takes a shot. Oh, Peñegas intercept the ball to Ravi Bundalian. Ravi to number 8. Number 8. Tumberote, para pass. Black by Bondo. Oka Page. Takes a shot. Oh, what a hustle by number 8. 2 points. 18-16. 2-point game. Bondo. Sabi daw siya ako boy. There's a foul.
Matanda. Ikaw naman.
44 daw foul. Sabi. Pagod daw siya ako boy. Sabi. Pasok. 18-16. Down Bondo. Dennisero makes a shot. And makes it. Mother. 18-19 change Pemo. 1 point. 1 point. Lead by the white team. Apejo. To Peñegas. Recover it. To Ravi Bundalian. Takes a shot. And makes it. Mother. Number 23. Bundalian. 3 points. 8.19. Sinisero. Woo! Wala na. Sinisero. Answering.
Palitan na.
21-22. It's a 1-point game. Joey Boy to Peñegas. Peñegas to cover the ball. It's Blanco. Oh, Bondo flexing. Peñegas. Apejo takes a shot. Oh! It's a 2 point. Wow! Walang sa Apejo. The MVP game by Apejo. Seconds to go. 7 seconds to go. Missed that. Rebounded by Pescao. It's time. It's a 1-point game. White possession. Last 5 minutes of second half. 23-22. 23-22. Laman ng 1 point ang Black. 23-22. 1 point lead by Black. 23-22. Ryan dribbling the ball to Apejo. To Ryan. Outside by the referee. Outside referee score. So next possession Black. Yes, someone clear. White ball. Arvin dribbling the ball. Ryan dribbling the ball in the middle. Oh, there's a foul. Was foul, right? Number 21 was foul, right? Okay. Ref. Was foul. Number 5. Erwin. Tumpah by Erwin, ha? Dalawa. What a pass! What a play by Solidar, the MVP. Solidar. 23-26. 3-point game. Venegas takes a shot. Miss it. Anakta Santos. Momentum ang white team. To enter 1. 1-2. Bongsolidad. Recovered by Donas. Recovered by Bongsolidad again. Bongsolidad, bring the ball. Stays here. Bongsolidad takes an easy shot. Wow! 28-23, 5-point game. That's an easy hockey shot by the Verde Boys. Solidad. 23-28, 5-point game. Number 8, Abeo, blocked by Bongsolidad. There's a foul by the referee, number 43. Number 43, shooting foul by number 8. Number 8. Miss. 2 team fouls on white. 2 team fouls on white. His first shot. Second shot. Miss another shot. Anakta. Got the loose ball from Edgar One got the ball. Bongsolidad. Was ball rep? Was ball rep? Just a second. Was ball rep? It's white ball. It's white ball. There's a foul. Sing, number 34 foul. Shooting foul. Anakta. 2 team fouls by Black team. Ating Marcel by Anakta. 29-23. 6-point game. Mission second shot. Rebounded by Sing. Sing. Was ball rep? It's white ball. Santos lifting the ball. Leisurely. In the middle. Time remaining. 26 seconds to go. Venegas got the ball. Hustle by Venegas. Raya. To Venegas. There's a foul. There's a foul. 23-29. It's a shooting foul run. Seconds to go. 7 seconds to go. 3 seconds to go. Okay. Ang bola ngayon dapat is 1. Ang bola na ito dapat quarter na. There's 5 minutes of third quarter. Minerva to Sinicero. Ready to move. Sinicero takes the shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Bongsolidad. Another shot. Miss it. Loose ball cut by the commissioner, Cesar Ryan. Mirote to Joey Ball. He fakes. To Mirote takes a shot. Easy 2 by Mirote. 29-27. It's a 2-point game. 2-point game. Yeah, 2-point game. Cenicero. It's a 2-point game. Salgodo takes a 3. Money! 32-27, it's 3 point by Scout Mondo. 5-point game. 5-point game. Raya to Sing. Takes a 3. In and out. Rebounded by Joey Boy. Joey Boy. Grab the rocket. Rebounded by Minerva. Minerva dribbling the ball. Minerva to Juntuy Peralta. Juntuy Peralta. Kick out to Cenicero. Cenicero dribbling the ball. To Bong Solidad. So Bong Solidad got the ball. Bong Solidad. Pass to Mondo. Fakes. Wow, what a pass. Recovered by and Cenicero takes a 3. Money. What a shot by Cenicero. 35-27, 8-point game. 8-point game. Meniegas dribbling the ball. Meniegas. To Merote. To Rayat. Rayat to the ball. Recover. By Peralta Uy. To Scout Mondo. Scout Mondo dribbling the ball. Scout Mondo. Cenicero takes another 3. Oh, Money. Back to Money. Cenicero. 13-27. Momentum by White. 11-point game. Venegas takes a 3. Miss it. Rebounded by Jun Peralta Uy. Scout Mondo dribbling the ball. To Bong Solidad. To Scout Mondo. To Solidad again. To Cenicero fakes. To Bong Solidad. To Jun Peralta Uy. What a shot by Jun Peralta Uy. 14-27. 13-point game. 1 minute and 37 seconds to go. 27-40. Sing. There, there's a foul. Was ball, ref. Number 18. On Mondo. 2 shots by Sing. Plenty fun. First team foul by the one team. First team foul. Scout Mondo, 1 foul. Missed the first shot. Second shot by Sing. First shot miss. 7-40. 30-point game. In and out. Merote got the rebound. Line ball called by the referee. Seconds to go. 50 seconds to go. 46 seconds to go. Seconds to go. 27-40. 37 seconds to go. Cenicero takes another 3. Miss it. What's Bogan? Black hole. 28 seconds to go. Rayat got the ball. Rayat dribbling the ball. Seconds to go. Rayat. Blocked by Bong Solidad. 15 seconds to go. 57-40. Seconds to go. 6 got the ball. 6 seconds to go. 4 seconds to go. White ball. Next possession block. White ball. White. Block. Okay. Block. Oh. Intercepted by Anakta. Late na. What's the call, right? Trouble by violation. Traveling by Anakta. Break, Aleha. We're going. Okay, go. With 7-40, 30-point game. Oka boy. Appeal takes a shot. Rebounded by Jonas. Jonas to Arthur. Rafi got the ball. Sing. Okaboy. Okaboy tumilote. There's a foul. Hello? Doing foul, rep? Two shots. Called by the referee. Two shots. Number 88 foul. Second team foul by White. Number 88. Shooting foul. Makes 1 point. 28-40. 12-point game. 1 point by Merote. Second shot. Another makes by Merote. 29-40. 11-point game. 11-point game. 3:44 seconds to go. Anakta got the ball to Erwin Santos. Santos to Edgar Juan. Edgar Juan drives. Torrenta in. Takes a shot. And miss it. Rebounded by Jonas. Takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Singh. Singh to Rapi Bundalian. To number 8. It's 11-point game. It's an 11-point game. To Singh. Singh drives. Miss it. Rebounded by Erwin Santos. Santos to 1. Ooh, this ball by White team. 3 minutes to go. 11-point game. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Number 8. To Okaboy. Okaboy to Rafi. Fakes. Takes a shot. In and out. Rebounded by Edgar Juan. Edgar Juan dribbling the ball. Edgar Juan. Erwin Santos. What a recovery. And this guy was ball back. White ball. 2 minutes and 28 seconds. 29-40. Inakta. Miss it. Oh, what a rebound. What a shot by Jonas. 40-29. 12-point game. 13-point game. Rapi Bundalian. Okaboy. 3. By Edgar Juan. Intercepted. Edgar Juan dribbling the ball. Edgar Juan to Jonas. Takes an easy shot. Easy shot by Jonas. Takanay again. 2 in a row by Takanay. 2 in a row. Abeo to Rapi Bundalian. Miss it. Erwin Santos. Takes a shot. And it goes in. Pulling away. 46-29. 17-point game. 17-point game. Abeo to Bundalian. Oh, missed the shot. Time rating 109. Going down to 105. And after dribbling the ball. To Santos. Intercepted by Abeo. Lose the ball. Abeo lose the ball. It's white ball. 49 seconds to go. Oh, what a decision by Merote. Almost there. One got the ball. One got the dribble. One. Inakta takes a shot. 2 shot rep. Number 8 foul. Black and half. 46-29. First team foul by Black. Oh, nothing but A. Nothing but A by Inakta. Okay, go away. No more time. Oh, that's a 1 point. 47-29. So it's black ball. It's a black ball. Next possession, black ball. Fourth quarter na. Okay, black ball. Okay, Number 43. 2 shots. Second personal foul. Second personal foul by Bongsolidad. 1 point. First free throw point. 47. 47. Second shot. Make it. 31-47. It's a 16-point game. Mabul. 16-point game. Bongsolidad. Bring the ball. To Scout Bondok. Scout Bondok. Shooing away the referee. Rendain to Scout. Scout. To Bongsolidad. What a shot pass. What a play by Bongsolidad. Sitting in there. Making a copy. Bongsolidad. Kaya. To Villegas. Villegas to Sing. Outed by Bondok. Sing. Turn around. Take a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Villegas. Villegas takes underneath. Joey Boy. Joey Boy takes a shot. What a shot by Joey Boy. Back shot. 33-49. 60 points. White team is slowing it down. Squeezing the clock. Orenda in. Orenda in. Orenda in. Takes a shot. Lock. Berapa yang got the rebound? Yun try Taoy. There's a foul. 44 foul.
Yung sayang ang dami talaga. Sisisi ko yung sarili.
Ilan pa? Third personal foul by Villegas. First team foul by Black. Uy, John Peralta, uy. Nabipat net. Pasok na pasok. Pasok sa banga. Second free throw. Pasok. 51-33, 18-point game. It's an 18-point game. Raya takes a shot. Oh, miss it. Rebounded by Abeo. There's a foul. Number 43 foul. Again, Billy. What? Traveling? Oh, traveling pala. Sorry, pare. Traveling. No ball. Traveling. Correction. Bongsolidad bringing the ball. Oh, got big panel. Cenicero, Bongsolidad. Scout Bondok. What a easy to by Scout Bondok. After the 53, 20-point game. Sing, takes a shot. Michael, 6 and 39 seconds to go. 20-point game. 33-53. 33-53. Cenicero fakes to Bongsolidad. To Peralta, uy. To Bondok. To Arthur. Miss it. Rebounded by Joey Boy. Cesar Raya between the ball in the middle, lays it up, and it's another rebound. There's a foul. Orenda. Number 61. Sabing, number 61. Sabing rep. Number 61. Sabing. Sabing rep. Another big shot. 2 shots by Missionary. 35-53. 18-point game. They're dropping now. They're dropping the slip. So Santos. There's a foul. There's a foul, right? 34 foul. Saibo. Sabing. 2 team foul lang. 5 minutes to go. 53-35, 18-point game, 5 minutes to go. Black is tightening the defense. To Santos. Santos to Juan. Juan. To Bonsolidad. Wow, a pass. There's a foul. Number 34 foul. Sabi, number 34 foul. Sabi. The personal 3 fouls by Black. Number 34, 3 personal foul. Sing. Nothing but net by Santos. 54-35. Second shot. Misses. Rebounded by it's white ball. What a asset by Edgar One to Bondo. Bondo to one. To Bonsolidad. Recovered by was foul rep. Was 43 fouls. 3 fouls by Bonsolidad. 3 fouls by Bonsolidad. Rafi Montalian makes a 3. Rebound by Venegas. 2 points by Venegas. 44 minutes and 22. 37-54. 17-point game. Black is tightening the defense. Venegas 2 points. Venegas 2 points. 37-54. 17-point game. Bondo counted by the commissioner. To Cenicero to Juan. To Bondo. Wala kick. Wala kick. Take the shot. Miss it. Rebounded by foul rep. Number 5. 3-55. 57-54. How many? 14 fouls by White. Ryan dribbling the ball. To Montalian takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Santos. Bonsolidad dribbling the ball. Bong in the middle. Bong. Lose the ball. Cesar Raya. To Venegas. Venegas makes. And makes it. Momentum. 39-54. It's a 50-point game. It's a 15-point game. 3 minutes and 23 seconds left. Momentum ng Black. Bonsolidad. Cenicero to Scout Bondo. Controlling the ball. To one. Takes the shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Bonsolidad. Bonsolidad dribbling the ball. Controlling the ball. Squishing the clock. Scout Bondo. 2:49 seconds to go. Santos. Miss it. Rebounded by Venegas. Oh, wala. Intercept by Mario Cenicero. And makes it. What a play by Mario Cenicero. 57-39. 18-point game. 2:27 left in the regulation. Yeah, okay. Sing to Venegas. To Rayat. Rayat takes a shot. Miss it. Cenicero. Bonsolidad. Leaving the ball. Squeezing the clock. Smart game. Smart play by Bonsolidad. Mario takes a 3. Rami Montalian. Cesar Rayat. Okaboy. Okaboy got the ball. Okaboy. Montalian takes the 3. Miss it. Time out. White. Time out White. First team time out by White. 57-39. 18-point game. 1 minute and 34 seconds to go. It's an 18-point game. pumasok na ng 20. Pero depende sa kanila. Kanina, Jonas, bibig mo. Jonas. Benegas. Lays it up. Oh, miss it. Benegas. There's a foul. Malaban pa. It's an 18-point game. 15 fouls. Penalty. Isa pa. Penalty na rin, pero shooting na. O ito yung foul. Meron pa. 1 point. 40-57. 41-57. Raya got the ball. Raya to Steve. Takes the 3. Rebounded. Controlling Mundania. Takes the 3. Take it. Rebounded right. And 2 points. Time out. More time out by White. It's a 14-point game. 57 seconds to go. Time out, White. Time out ba ito? Di ba? Time out ba ito ka? Cesar. Oh, sila eh. Before the seconds. Tapos na. Tapos na daw yung timer nyo. Tapos na yung timer nyo. What is 357? Meron pang mga ano ah. Minerva. Torrenta in. Lose the ball. Lako. Ayan, go in. Rapi Buntaliante. That's 3. Mother. 46-57, 11-1 day. Peratawi. Controller. White hole. Anakta. Wow. Defeated by Anakta. Foul thing. Ilang foul yung natin foul? 40 foul. 4 personal foul by Sid. 4 personal Sid. 4. Ako. It's a shot.
You miss 100%.